Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding the Compose icon on Yahoo Mail is simple once you know exactly where to look on your screen. If you are using a desktop computer or a laptop, first open your web browser and log into your Yahoo account. Look at the top left corner of the page right above your main inbox folder list. You will see a large rectangular button that is usually colored purple or dark blue. This button is clearly labeled with the word Compose written in bold white letters. Clicking this button will immediately open a new blank email window on the right side of your screen. If you are using the Yahoo Mail app on a mobile device like an iPhone or an Android phone, the layout is slightly different. Open the app and look at the bottom right corner of your phone screen. You will see a circular icon that often has a small white pencil symbol inside of it. On some newer versions of the mobile app, this button might also display the word Compose right next to the pencil image. Tapping this icon will start a new message for you instantly. Sometimes the icon might be temporarily hidden if you are scrolling quickly through your old emails, so try scrolling back up to the very top of your inbox to make the button reappear. If you still do not see it on your desktop, make sure your browser window is zoomed out enough to show all the sidebar elements clearly. On larger tablets, the button is usually in the same top left position as the desktop version.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.